Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to tell you a little bit about the history between Act and Microsoft Outlook. Act users that use Microsoft Outlook quite often want to make sure that when they send an email out, that email that they send out to a contact in Act is attached to that contact. Makes sense. You send an email out, you might want to refer back to that email. It could be tomorrow, it could be 6 months or a year from now. So one of the best features between Act and Outlook is that it connects the outgoing emails. Now, having said that, longtime Act and Outlook users know that quite often that little combination, that little connection quite often broke. It just stopped working. And there was frankly no rhyme nor reason to that. It would just be working one day and the next day would stop. Now, I've always sort of thought it could be different kinds of updates to the computer. It could be antivirus. It could be Windows updates. It could be just about anything. But the weird part about it is it would stop working. It would be hard to fix to the point of giving up. And then later, it would just start working again. So on that note, a company by the name of Keystroke, and full disclosure, I partner with Keystroke on a variety of things. They developed a tool called Act for Outlook. And Act for Outlook is a $36 piece of software. It's a one-time purchase. They also have a version of this that's for the web-based Act. That's a yearly subscription at the same cost. But Act for Outlook was designed specifically to make sure that connection between Act and Outlook did not break. It was designed to attach outgoing emails. And most people would have been happy with that. But actually what they've done is they've done other things with it as well. And I'm not going to go into great detail here, except to say that it also attaches incoming emails. It does some other things really well, but again, I have training on that, so I'm not going to go into it here. As an Outlook and Act user, there are three tools that I usually recommend right off the bat. Act for Outlook. The next one is something called Template Phrases. Template Phrases is about $50. It's a one-time purchase. It's a great way to save templates, to quickly send emails from Microsoft Outlook, and also to reply to emails. And the last tool I recommend is something called Banana Tag. And Banana Tag is a yearly subscription. It's $120 a year. And for that, you can send, as of today, 100 emails per day through this. And what it does is it tracks the emails you send from Outlook, the opens, and if there's a link in there, it will also track the link and provide you with that information back in the form of an email. So it can be very effective. So I go over all three of these products in great detail in course number 4, the add-ins course, where I go through these add-ins and other add-ins as well for Act. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions about any of this stuff, feel free to reach out to me. Tony Holowitz, you have a great day. Thank you. Bye now.